Hey guys, it's Angela back with another tutorial, and today we're going to be learning how to add highlights to a lace front unit. This unit is from my hair company, WabiWigs. It's our Malaysian transparent body wave in 22 inches, and I've already bleached the knots on this unit. If you'd like to see a tutorial on how I bleach my knots, check it out on my page. So first things first, we're just going to part the hair in the style that you want. I wanted a middle part, so I did a middle part. And then you're going to section off the frontal from the wig, only leaving a layer of hair towards the back of the wig to cover the track. So we're going to be using L'Oreal Quick Blue Bleach as well as 30 volume developer to bleach our unit. And what you're going to want to do is part the hair off, and you're going to take the hair in a zigzag pattern. So it's take one, leave one, take one, leave one. And then you're just going to apply the bleach thoroughly to the hair. You really should use a brush because the brush will prevent you from having any harsh lines. And make sure you really work it in. Really try to saturate the strands with the bleach. The more saturated the hair strands are, the lighter that you'll be able to lift the hair. So I was going for like a brown highlight type look, so I didn't add foil. But if you want your highlights to be really bright, definitely add foil because the heat will make the bleach faster. And because we're going to be lifting the entire color of the wig, it doesn't really matter if you get little pieces of bleach on the sections of the hair, especially if you're not using foil. It'll be hard not to get the bleach on the other sections of the hair. Now, if you wanted to leave your highlights between a 1B, which is the natural black color the wig begins in, and then the highlights being a blonde, then you want to be really careful about getting bleach where the bleach is not supposed to go. But because we're going to be lifting the entire unit today, then you can be a little bit messy with this. You may use your hands to put the bleach on the strands like I did. But make sure that you're going back in with your brush, your bleaching brush, and you're making sure those harsh lines are not harsh. You're blending in all of those harsh lines, and you'll see as I do it. So I added bleach with my hands, and then I used the brush just to make sure I blended the bleach at the top and it wasn't harsh. And there's no like perfect way to do this. You literally are just taking hair, leaving hair, taking hair, leaving hair. Everyone's color job is going to come out differently. But that's the beauty of bleaching hair. It's like really unique. And then I went ahead and started working on my frontal. So at this point, you want to be a little bit more careful, making sure that you have no harsh lines. Definitely use your brush here and less of your hands, and kind of apply the bleach at an angle. I wanted the strands in the front to be blonde, so I sectioned that part off and I made sure that I highlighted that part with bleach. And then I pick one, dropped one, pick one, dropped one in the zigzag motion, and I bleached the hair at the top. And again, make sure you're not making any harsh lines, blending, especially at the top, because that's what's going to be seen. And you're going to leave this on for 25 minutes. And then I went ahead and rinsed out the bleach, and you can already see the color has lifted. So as you can see, this unit comes pre-plucked. Again, this is our WabiWigs Malaysian Body Wave Transparent Lace Frontal. This unit specifically will be further plucked and fully customized by me and will be for sale at WabiWigs.com. All of the information for this unit will be in the description box down below. So now we are going to make our bleach bath mixture. So our bleach bath mixture consists of bleach, 1 part bleach, 2 parts shampoo, and 2 parts of peroxide. And you're just gonna mix that up. And this mixture was like a tiny bit too thick, so I went ahead and I added some more peroxide. And you're gonna apply this to the whole wig. So this is going to lift that 1B natural black color to a brown. I hate the contrast in highlights between the blonde and the black. I think that it's too harsh. I was going for more of like a brown highlighted look for the summer. So you're gonna apply the mixture to the whole wig and make sure you get up in there. Make sure you are picking up pieces and moving them to the left and right and really just getting the bleach bath mixture all on the unit and the ends. And we're gonna let this sit for 30 minutes. And then you're gonna just rinse that out with your purple toning shampoo. I use L'Oreal's purple toning shampoo. You can use Shimmer Lights or whatever other purple toning shampoo that you have. And then you're gonna let that sit for 2 minutes. So to further get rid of those orange tones in our unit, we are going to tone our unit with conditioner and Adore Blue Navy hair dye, but just 1 drop, guys, because if you put too much, you're actually going to dye your unit blue and you don't want that. So I really focused on the sections I felt were orange. As you can see, like in the front, it gives off orange vibes a little bit. So that's where I started with, but be very light-handed and don't get it on your lace because we don't want to dye our lace blue. But essentially, you're going to put it on the entire unit. I left this on for 15 minutes. Do not exceed 15 minutes because, like I said, you will dye your unit blue and you don't want that. So here's the unit after styling. Perfect warm brown highlights for the summer. This custom unit is going to be on sale on my website at WabiWigs.com. Any of the units on my website can be fully customized by me, and you can book at my installation page at WabiWigs Installs on Instagram. And you can also follow our main page at WabiWigs on Instagram as well. I will list all the products that I used in today's tutorial in the description box down below. Thank you guys for watching, and make sure you like and subscribe and comment down below if you learned something today. Bye!